All right, let me show you how to unlock the power of AutoAE in 1 minute. First, at this homepage, you can access to our newest AI feature, totally free now. Just type what you want here. For example, I want an envelope reveal text animation, show 1 million subscribers, then click generate. I will get this. The text is already put into the design, and I can also change the content here easily, so I can change the font and color here. If you want more options, just scroll down. You'll see all the familiar designs. Pick one you like. Let's grab this one. You can drop in your own image, swap the background, and even crop the part of the picture you want to show. Then just click preview. Looks awesome. Hit download and you'll get the final video in about a minute. If you want to explore more, click all templates. You can search for what you need or use the tags on the left. For beginners, pick easy to use. Those are super simple to customize. Now, if you're going for the fancier viral style reels like this one, just remember some images need to be transparent. That means no background. If you still see the background after uploading, it's not transparent. You'll need to remove it first. For text, it will auto-fit into one line, so avoid adding too much content. The size adjusts automatically. If you see manually break new line, that design option allows more content, like this. Once that's done, you can fully customize even the complex designs here on AutoAE. Have fun with it.